Bonjour. Hello, I'm Mrs. Turner. I teach French here at the middle school and coach tennis and golf at the high school. Here's some Lynchburg tennis history you probably didn't know. Dr. Robert Walter Johnson was an American physician and founder of the American Tennis Association Junior Development Program for African American youths. A successful college athlete, Johnson used his athletic skill and personal funds to found this program. The Johnson Healthcare Center on Atherholt Road, just across the way, is named for him. He was the first minority doctor in the entire city to be granted practice rights at Lynchburg General Hospital. While working as a physician in Lynchburg in the 1950s, he built a tennis court in the adjoining lot on his home in Pierce Street and funded free tennis training and lodging for underprivileged children. Two standout students were Arthur Ashe, who won at Wimbledon, the Australian Open, and the U.S. Open, and Althea Gibson, who in 1956 was the first African American to win a Grand Slam title at the French Open, then later at Wimbledon, the U.S. Open, and the Australian Open. The red clay tennis court was used until 1971. Many non-pro athletes who attended Johnson's Hall of Fame induction ceremony in 2018 stated that he was a wonderful influence on their lives, stressing sportsmanship and discipline. The court was refurbished and is now used by Parks and Recreation for children living in downtown Lynchburg. And if you'd like to join the tennis teams, we're going to have tryouts April 12th this year. Boys team, no experience necessary. You just need a physical. And the girls team. Coach Wheeler helps with the girls team as well. Hope to see you out there. Thank you.